Have you ever been in the supermarket, in the oil aisle, picked up some oil that you saw that said ginger oil and wondered, how does this work? Wonder no more. I am here to answer those questions for you with easy, simple recipes. So all you gotta do is sit back, relax, and whip it up with fresh fried ginger. If fried rice is your jam and you like it extra meaty, today we're going to be substituting meat with mushrooms. Yes, you heard correctly, a mushroom fried rice with all the types of veggies that you need to make it extra delicious and extra nutritional as well. All you have to do is sit back, relax as we whip it up with fresh fried ginger oil. First things first, you need to season your mushrooms with about a 3/4 tablespoon of fresh fried ginger oil. And we're adding in a salt and pepper mix. We're also going to be adding in cayenne pepper. You can substitute this with paprika because it's spicy. Finely chopped thyme. And just a little bit of minced garlic. Going to massage all those spices and the oil and everything into the mushrooms really well. And if you feel like the oil is not sufficient, you can go ahead and add some more, which is what I'm going to do. First goes in the tablespoon of fresh fried ginger oil. And once it's hot, we're gonna add in the onions. Added in about half a teaspoon of fresh garlic, minced garlic. And now go in the mushrooms. Now that our mushrooms have browned just a little bit, we're gonna go in with our peas. I've added in the rest of our garlic. We're going in with our leftover rice. And finally, we're just adding in about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now, if you're wondering, how does mushroom taste? Well, let me share this. It actually does taste like chicken, although it's still mushroom. It doesn't have the same type of protein flavor, but it tastes just as good. And the best type of mushrooms you can go with this is usually just like button mushrooms, because I know a lot of people are like, there's a different types of mushrooms. What do I use? Button. Keep it simple. If you want to go a little bit crazy, do that. If you want to have this with a sauce, do that as well. The best part is though that the thyme that we rubbed onto the mushrooms is absolutely divine, and the fresh fried ginger oil literally complements this meal. I want to hear from you though. What would you serve this with on the side? Would you serve it with a sauce, another protein? Whatever it is that you decide, leave it in the comments. Or you can find the perfect accompaniment to this meal on our series, which you need to be checking out, which is whipping it up with fresh fried ginger oil. Until the next episode, I hope you stay eating delicious.